धर्मविज्ञानवैराग्यपरमैश्वर्यशालिनः आनन्दतीर्थभगवत्पादान् वन्दे निरन्तरं। व्यासाय भवनाशाय श्रीशाय गुणराशये हृद्याय शुद्धविद्याय मध्वाय च नमो नमः। अक्षयः. Krishna has unlimited names. One of his name is Akshayah. Dvadasha Stotram Adhyaya 8 Sloka 11 says Akshayam karma yasmin pare swarpitam prakshayam yanti dukani yannamataha. The deeds that we do become abundantly fruit yielding if we dedicate those deeds at the lotus feet of Sri Vasudeva. Its fruitful rewards become Akshaya, never-ending, imperishable and unfailing. Yasmin Pare, in that Supreme Paramatma, Sri Krishna, Sri Vishnu, Swarpitam, so arpitam, dedicated with heart and soul. That is so because Paramatma is called as Akshaya. His Rupas, Gunas, Kriyas are all inexhaustible and none has seen the limit or boundary of them at all. Krishna is called as Akshaya because there is no destruction or the loss of Deha for him. For Paramatma, the soul, Chetana and Deha are only one. It is totally Aprakruta only, always both in Mula Rupa and in Avatara Rupa. He is Akshaya in the strict sense. There is no loss or reduction in his case. A doubt may crop up on this issue. When he took the avatar of Sri Rama, he had bow and arrows in his hands. During Sri Krishna, he had flute in his hand. So there is no bow and arrow during Sri Krishna avatara. May be possible doubt to justify Rupa Beda. Though Rama and Krishna are identical, there is no loss at all. During Krishna avatara, such bow and arrows were not visible to us. This is because Paramatma is Akshaya. There is no loss or slip or reduction in his case. Similarly, there is nothing new, additional functions in his case. He is Purna entity always. The Sutra 119, the Bhashya states Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Avashishyate. Krishna is called Akshaya because he is Shashwata, always he remains the same. Bhagavad Gita in 7:26, Sri Krishna states, Vedaham samatitani vartamanani cha arjuna bhavishyani cha bhutani mam tu vedana kaschanaha. Sri Krishna states that he knows all the past, all the present, and all the future because he is always, constantly, and steadily without any reduction, loss, or deviation. He remains always as it is, Shashwata. Gita states, Ajo Nityo Shashwata Ayam. Sri Krishna is called as Akshaya because there is no vikara at all in him. In Anuvakyana under the Sutra 1424, Om Prakritischa Pratignya Drishtanta Anuparodat Om. It is stated as Avikara Sada Shuddho Nityatma Sada Hari Sadaika Rupa Vijnana Bala Ananda Rupakaha. Again in the Sloka 364 it is stated Nirvikaro Aksharo Shuddho Niratango Ajaro Amaraha Avishwo Vishwakartajo Yaha Paraso Abhidiyate. Hence Sri Krishna is Tira and so he is called Akshara. Sri Krishna Arpanamastu.